What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Meg, and today I'm going to be playing around with some new makeup. Alright, so I have everything on my face done except for my eyes. I did go to the Morphe store. If you haven't seen my haul, I will link it right up above, and it will also be listed down below. So I picked up the Vault Collection by Jaclyn Hill, and I also have the Thirsty palette by Jeffree Star. So I'm going to be kind of pulling things from different palettes and just seeing what I can come up with, because that is my favorite thing to do with makeup and eyeshadows especially, is to just sit down and play. So I hope you guys will follow along, and let's see how this turns out. First, I'm taking the color from the Dark Magic palette, and I'm just applying this with the Morphe M433. It's a really great fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to put this liberally on my crease, and I'm also going to bring it down to the inner corner and outer corner of my lid, because this is going to be more of a halo eye look. So far, I'm not noticing any fallout. I am loving this color. It is blending out beautifully. And then now, taking a clean, big, fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend those edges using windshield wiper motions and circular motions again. Now I'm going to go into the Thirsty palette, and I think I'm going to deepen up a little bit more with the shade Drizzle. I'm just trying to keep it as close to the actual crease as possible, with bringing it on the very outer corners of my inner and outer lid. So it just added that hint of darkness and depth. I'm noticing with this palette is that the shadows are pretty powdery, but if I'm not getting fallout on my face, that isn't something of concern for me. With the same color, I'm just going to be using the Real Techniques detailer brush and putting that on the very inner and outer corner of my lid, just to darken it up a little bit more to get that ombre halo effect. And here I am getting a teensy bit of fallout. Now I'm taking Shape Tape Concealer and my Sonia Kashuk 110 brush to do a halo eye to clean up the area a little bit, even though I left it pretty blank. Now that I have the cut crease down, I'm going to take this yellow Quench and just really pack that on top of the concealer. Now I'm just going to work on blending the edges. Then to top off the halo eye, I'm going to take Filthy Rich on an eyeliner brush and just put that right at the very edge. I'm wetting the brush to see if I can kind of wetting the brush to see if I can kind of pack this on as a glitter liner. This is pretty, but it would take a lot less work to just use one of the heavy metal glitter liners that I already own. But I'm pretty excited to do a different look with this and have this gold shimmer all over my lids. So I just added a quick line of liquid liner. It's going to help with our lashes and pulling the whole thing together in just a minute. Alright, for the lower lash line, I want to continue this down with the brown taupey color. So back into Dark Magic, where is it? Back into Dark Magic, I'm going to take that first shade and blow this out on my lower lash line. I'm going to not get it as close to my lashes as possible because I want to save some room for color. So I'm just going to kind of extend this out. and I'm bringing this to about the halfway point. Next, I'm taking Submerge, which is this bright, beautiful blue, and I'm really gonna blow out my lower lash line, and I've been using the Morphe E36 brush. Alright, so I popped on some mascara and false lashes. I'm using my Demi G's by Coco Lashes for today. Thought this needed a little more of a dramatic lash, but I really like how this look turned out. It's been a long time since I've sat down and played with makeup. But I just wanted to show you guys the Jeffree Star palette since this is what I used today. You can see here that this shade did have a lot of powder. However, Splash and Quench really didn't have as much fallout as Drizzle. It wasn't as powdery. I'm sure that's because all the different shadows are pressed differently. But like I said, I didn't get a ton of fallout or anything on my face. You just have to make sure to tap your brush off. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, sitting down with me, playing with makeup. Be sure to subscribe because I have a lot of videos coming out soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.